What's up, guys? Daniel here. So today, this is my first cooking channel video, and I guess get straight to the point. I'm gonna be cooking Salisbury steak today, my version. So don't miss out. So what all we have in the Salisbury, well, in my version of the Salisbury steak is we have ground beef, seasoned salt, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, flour. This is the thickener of the red gravy. 1 egg, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, diced onions, and diced carrots. So we're gonna get to we can start combining the ingredients. Okay, so what we did, these are the steaks. I put them to the side. After I put them to the side, I came on and I caramelized my onions, my carrots, and I added a little bit more seasoning. After I did that, I added my tomato sauce, my diced tomatoes too, let them get caramelized, and after that I added them to the sauce, and that's where we are right now. So we're just gonna let this cook for a minute or two, and you want the sauce a little thick, so I added just a little bit of flour. We can add a little bit more because you want to have a little bite. Stir this up, make sure it gets all mixed in. You can flip your steak, so get that flour out of there. You don't want your steaks to be breaking, but they can. But if you want a perfect steak, you don't want them to break. Right now we're just cooking the flour out of it. Basically everything is done. So like I said, give us a minute or two, and we'll be right back. Okay, now see what it looks. This is done. We're gonna go to our plating area like this. I'm not that creative, but I can try for you guys. Put your steaks down, 2 per plate. Usually 1, but I'm doing 2. To make it, look more fuller. Another steak. Last one. You want your sauce. You just gotta smother it in your sauce, Can't never have too much sauce. I'm gonna tell you that now. Back, and then I'm gonna show this one just a little better. And this is my version of a Salisbury steak. So like I said, this is my version of a Salisbury steak. See all that steam? I mean, that's that goodness. Hold up, I'm finna get a fork for y'all. I gotta taste this. Hold on. So I know y'all gotta see. See, in the inside right here, perfectly cooked. You don't see no red at all. I'm gonna eat this. Oh, I need one more bite, y'all. Wait. This, I bet you if you try this recipe, it's gonna make you slap your mama. Don't slap her though, because I bet you're gonna get in trouble, but no. Alright, well, this is the end of the video. I want you to like, comment, subscribe, you know. This is my first video, so bear with me. As we go on, things will get way better. So, I want to tell you, thank you for watching. Bye.